How to train for cross-country running. When you're getting ready for a cross-country race, you might feel overwhelmed. However, it is important to train a little every day rather than all at once. By running and cross-training with a weekly rest day, you can prepare to do the best at your competition. All that work will pay off when the race is over and you can rest knowing that you did your best. Improving running endurance. Try interval training. Interval training involves alternating between periods known as intervals of high-intensity exercise with low-intensity exercise. Switch between sprinting and walking in 2 to 3 minute intervals. Your run can last anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the distance you choose. During the high-intensity interval, give the workout as much energy as you can to increase your strength. Plan an interval run at least once per week. Do 20-minute tempo runs. Run at a speed 15 to 30 seconds slower than your race pace to practice controlling your speed. On a scale from 1 to 10, tempo runs should put your exertion level at around an 8. Because tempo runs increase metabolic fitness, this exercise can prevent fatigue on your race day. Run a fartlek workout. Fartlek is Swedish for speed play, and this workout is a variation of interval training meant to prepare you for the varied pacing of cross-country runs. Instead of alternating between an intense and easy workout, your pace will vary between intense and moderate. A good fartlek workout can last anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. For example, you might sprint for 3 minutes, jog for 3 minutes, and then repeat this process 5 times. Practice fartlek runs on uneven courses with plenty of uphill and downhill to simulate racing conditions. Work in a 10% longer run every week. It is important to build up your running distance gradually. To do this, plan a 10% longer run every week to work up to the race's distance. For example, if you're running a 5K 3.1 miles, you could run 2 kilometers 1.2 miles one week, 2.2 kilometers 1.4 miles the next, and 2.4 kilometers 1.5 miles the next week. Don't start out at your fastest pace during longer runs. Start slow and gradually build your speed. Do not plan your long run on the day before your competition to avoid burnout. Plan one recovery run a week. On the day after your longer run, do a recovery run to decrease lactic acid buildup in your muscles, which can cause stiffness. Maintain a steady, slow pace for around 20 to 30 minutes. You should be able to breathe and talk with ease while you run. Recovery runs also reduce the effect of delayed onset muscle soreness (DOMS) after heavy workouts.